Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. I want to share some crafty haul today. These are the things that I've been collecting for the past few weeks or even months. I can't remember when I got them. Um, so this first ones here, I got this for my kids because they love trains and they love the Christmas movie, the Polar Express. So I got this one, and this one is the paper house. I don't know if this one has like a name, but these are cut parts. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to use this for their Christmas tags to put on their presents this year, and I will put their names on the back. So this is the back, and I will laminate them so they can also use this for bookmarks. So I got this. I got two of this. So that's this one. These are so cute. So that's this one, and then the back is this. So that's that one. I also got this white Christmas 12 by 12 paper pad, and this is from Carta. I know my friend Jen, she already showed this paper pad on her YouTube channel, and she is Happy Scrapper Mom of 4, and she's also Happy Scrapper Mom of 3 on Instagram. So I love this paper pad. It comes with 12 double-sided textured papers and then one 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So I love this. Everybody knows that I love Santa Claus, so I love this page here or paper. And then the back is this one. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use this side here. So this one here is cut apart, so you can add this on your scrapbook, or you can even use this on your cards and just put it on A2 size card base and you're done. There's this one here, and the back is this Christmas tree. And I also love that they don't waste space. They even have this sentiment here and a border here that you can use. So I love that. So that's that one. This is another pattern, and then it has this green, it's like a snow, and then it has a star. I also love this pattern here. It's so nice. And then the back is like a candy cane color. And then this one here. I love this one too. That's that one. This is all presents and dark green on the back. This is another cut aparts, and then dark blue on the back. Ornaments. I love the stars. And then red, and then has the stripe. This pattern and snowflakes. And now this one, I really like this one because you can just fussy cut this. Everybody knows that I love fussy cutting, so I might do that with this page here. And then that's the back. This one is cars with trees, and then this here, dark green with text, Christmas text. snowman. It's so cute. And then that's the back. I love that they include a sticker pack or sticker sheet, so you can just add this on your scrapbook or cards. This is White Christmas 12x12 paper pad. The next paper pads that I got from a cherry on top is this Hocus Pocus by Stephen Duncan, and it's also Carta. And I'm pretty sure you guys already saw this paper pack, so I'm not gonna do that here on my video. And then this one here, I know this is old paper pack, and this one is the School Days, but I really love this, and I can use this for my kids' scrapbook for schools, you know, or I can also make cards from this to give out to teachers. So I got this one. So we're done with the paper pads or paper packs. We'll move on to the dice and stamps that I got from online stores. This one, I think this one is gonna expire tomorrow, but I'm pretty sure they have new Simon Says Stamp $5 codes. I got two die set from Concord the 9th. I think they released this in October. Yeah, I think October. This one is the apple orchard dice. So it looks like this. It has two small apples, and then I think this one here, you can layer it on the side of the apple and it will look like this, or not. You don't have to. So that's that one. I also got this one here, and this one is the freshly picked dice, and this one is like a sliding interactive die set. So I got this one, and it will look like this when you assemble it. So you can put your sentiment here and it will slide up and down, and I thought that's so cute. So I got this one. I might not use this year. I might just use it next year because it's already Christmas. And yeah, so I got those. I also got the zig markers. You know that I love my zigs. I always use the blender, so I got two of this. So that's from Simon Says Stamp. This ones here are from Art Impressions. They had sale. I can't remember now. A few weeks ago, and I got this too, a stamp and die set. So this one here is the front porch set, and it looks like this. And then this one is the front porch Christmas set. So this one goes with this stamp set here. So I got two of this. So I got those. I also got some 4 things at Hobby Lobby. They have clearance on their dies, but like what my friend Jen said, that these are still really expensive because it's $15, and I think these were like 40% off. But these are also, I think, new die sets that they released this year. So I'm not sure about that. So this one here, I love this one. This one is the Parcel and Post Mailbox, and it has a lot of pieces. So I got that. I also got this Stitch Petal diamond background, and it looks like this. So that's this one. This one here, I think this two die set that I got are clearance from last time, because I got this from the aisle where they put all their like the clearance stuff and not where the dice are. So I got this one for $6.74, and this one is the Circle Kaleidoscope Slimline dice, and it looks like this. So that's that one. And this one here is huge. It says happy birthday. This one is $7.49, and this one is called Be Bold Color Black Happy Birthday. It has two cutting dies, so it looks like this. This probably a regular slimline card. So that's that one. So those are from Hobby Lobby. I also got some stuff from Jamie's shop. She's not too shabby. She always send like a lollipop or candy or something like that with your order. So I got this one this time. I think this was on sale when I got it. And this is the My Favorite Things Holiday Hello. So I got this one. So that's that one. I also got this Monster Madness doodle bag 6x6 paper pad. It has 24 double-sided cardstock. So Halloween is already done, so I'll just use this next year. But I'm pretty sure you guys already saw this. The patterns are all so cute. I love the colors. And then also this one here, the 6x6 Farmers Market. It's the same thing, 24 double-sided cardstock. I also love this one. Super cute. Oh, I love this one here. Yellow. Jen, look. It's yellow. So these are the ones that I got from Jamie's shop. I'm probably gonna get the Christmas doodle bag. Christmas that they just released on Black Friday. And then the last one that I got are from Hudson. So I ordered twice from them. The first time I ordered because I'm needing this Express It tape, and they're the only ones that have this for cheap or lower price. So I got two of this, and I also got this Concord and 9th Mary Mantle stamp set. I started making cards, but I didn't finish it. So that's this one here. And they always sent you a free twine or ribbon sometimes. So I got this one this time. And then I got last week I got this too here. I love that they already have their products in a packet, and these ones are really nice quality, so I don't need to transfer it in a clear packet. It's already done for me. I think this one is an old die set they have, and it's the so cute ornament. So that's this one here. And this one, I think they just released this one. And my friend Cheryl Sabado here on YouTube told me that they're having a sale on their Hudson products. So we got this here, and this one is a stamp and die combo. This one is interactive, and their examples on their channel or Instagram is really cute. I have to go back and watch the video on their YouTube channel again to know how to build this interactive, but I think it's really easy. So this is the die set, and then this is the stamp set. And like what I said, they always send you a free twine or ribbon. I got this one this time, and they sent me this for free. But what am I gonna do with this? It's just dies. There's no stamps. So this is gonna be useless. Yeah. These are all the ones that I got from online shopping. I hope you enjoyed this whole video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.